Hi, welcome back to another vlog, specifically Vlogmas. Today is December 1st. I'm so excited. I look forward to this time of year every year. However, it does not feel like Christmas to me. I don't know what it is, but it doesn't feel like Christmas. Now, you guys know I like to put my Christmas tree up probably like second week, third week in November. I am very, very delayed. It's December 1st. I don't have a Christmas tree up at all. This will be my last Christmas in this apartment. I wasn't going to put my Christmas decor up, like, to be honest with you. I don't know, I'm not in the Christmas spirit. And you know that's not like me, because Christmas is literally one of my favorite holidays. I decided to go ahead and just put it up because, like I said, this will be my last Christmas in this apartment. So yeah, it's early in the morning, you guys. I am crusty, dusty, rusty, all that and above. But we gotta get this content. We gotta record. Like I said, it's Vlogmas, so I have to. I'm gonna try and do every 2 to 3 days. We'll try, okay? Y'all know how I am when it comes to these vlogs, but yeah. And I am going to my storage a little bit later to get the Christmas decor, and then we'll come back and like decorate. This year, because I'm like starting so late, I'm probably just going to be very minimal with the decor. I did want to try like the bow on the Christmas tree trend, but like throughout the Christmas tree, if that makes sense. But I don't think I'm gonna have time. I have to see what I have in like my storage, but I also wanted to do like a winter wonderland type of like theme, but minimum, because like I said, I ain't got that much going on. I'm trying to feed Zane right now. Zane coming running. Zane said I hear the food. You ring? I know that's right, Zane. That's how I be at the restaurants. I'm about to do a little Sunday like mini reset. I'm just getting back in town from like Thanksgiving. So I am like, you know, getting the space all together, trying to clean up like this area, the dishes, you know, things of that sort. I need to redo my phone for Christmas, but let's see. So tomorrow I have Pilates, so 101 Pilates, but that's my last time doing that 101 Pilates simply because it's just too expensive. I can just go to other places to save my money. I'm actually starting to get in the gym, which I'm so excited about, you know, because like I said, I just want to take better care of my body, and that was like one of my goals this year. So yeah, tomorrow Pilates, and I have a meeting later that day. And then Tuesday I have 2 appointments. One is early in the day at 8, then the next one is at 11 a.m., which is my hair appointment. Let me tell you, being at my parents' house, like, they had the heat. I tell you, when you be at older people's house, you be cooking. Like, they had the heat on 81. Why is the heat that high? I woke up in sweats. Like, I'm like, I got to go. I gotta go home. Like, I cannot. My mom gets so cold, so I had to like suffer through it, even though we were playing, like me and my dad were playing tag team with the thermostat, because baby, 80 something degrees, like you're in a sauna. It is hot. Like, all this back part here is like crunched up because I was sweating, like literally sweating. So I can't wait to get my hair done. And then on Wednesday I have 3 things happening. So I have like 2 appointments. I have to reschedule one for later that day. We'll see if that works or not. But I have an appointment I was supposed to have an appointment at 12. I'm gonna see if I can get another appointment at like 2. And then I have yoga at 5:45, which again, I'm excited about. These are like the classes that I'm trying to take. Different like Pilates classes, yoga class, things of that sort, just to get my body like, you know, moving. Thursday, I have a facial appointment. I got invited to like this little event, so we're gonna do some like content around that. I think it'll be really nice for the vlog as well. But yeah, I'm getting this glacial skin facial, but that's at 12. And then I have a meeting at 3, cocktail hour at 5, but I doubt that I'll be going there. I feel like this is in Uptown Charlotte, and I'm not like going there twice, especially at 5 o'clock, like no. And then on Friday, I am getting my nails done, which is very much needed. Like, oh my gosh, these look, you probably can't even see it, but these look so bad. These, Zane, you need to start taking the steps. Like, these look so bad, but as you can see, they're grown out, old. That's pretty much it. I feel like it's a good, you know, fulfilled week. I'll probably talk to you guys whenever I want to show you the decor, or like maybe the mini Target haul or something. Hello you guys, it is some time later. I actually went to the storage and I got all of my stuff here for a Christmas tree, and just to decorate the living room and, you know, kitchen up just a little bit. So we're going to do that. I may finish some of this tomorrow. I definitely want to get the Christmas tree up tonight, and then, like I said, I can do other things tomorrow. Don't mind my hair. Like I said, I'm going to be getting it done on Tuesday. Everything is going to be linked in the description box below. This is the same tree from like since 2019, so I've had this tree for some years now. So I'm gonna set the tree up right here. This tree skirt is from Crate and Barrel, I believe. I had this for about 2 or 3 years, or 3 or 4 years. Let's get started.
Valentino. Yeah, we can hear the angels calling us. We can see the sunrise before us. Yeah, and when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing. You know what I mean? Hey, hey, like a cop call. Hey, I make you say, doing the buck in the latest dress.
As you can see, the tree is lit except for this top portion right here. I've tried to switch out lights. It is really hard, especially when it's like flocked, but nothing is working. And I've literally switched out so many lights just now. Like, this is how much I've switched out, even though you can't see it. So I am just going to work with what I have, and I'm just going to add some lights on the top portion. Yay! All right, y'all, the whole tree is on now. It has a shortage in it. I don't know where, but Lord, please, we just gonna work with it. All right, so for this year's Christmas theme, I think I talked to you guys a little bit about it, but it's going to be like a what is it, winter wonderland, if that makes sense. I'm still gonna put my ornaments on it, but I'm also going to do the bow trend. It's going to be the skinny bow trend because I want to use like what I have. I'm gonna put like these little hydrangeas and stuff like in it. It's gonna be white. So, and then I'm gonna then put it around with the bows and stuff. So this is what I'm gonna stick all in it. Oh, it turned off again. It's something up here. Oh, it's up here somewhere. Okay, it must be around here.
She got me thinking I could date a cop. Cause her uniform pants were so tight. She read me my rights. She put me in a call. She cut off all the lights. She said I have the right to remain silent. Now I gotta holler, sounding like a siren. Talking about, yeah, yeah, yeah. And I know she the law, and she know I'm the ball, and she know I get high, above the law, and she know I'm raw, she know I'm from the street, and all she want me to do is fuck the police. Talking about, yeah, yeah. When I get up on ya, we can hear the angels calling us, we can see the sunrise before us, and when I'm in that thing, I make that body slide, I make you say, yeah, like a cop call. Yeah, hey, I make you sing. And after we got done, I said, lady, what's your number? She said 911. Emergency only. Head doctor perform surgery on me. Yeah, and now I'm healed. I make her wear nothing but handcuffs and heels. Then I beat it like a cop. Rodney King, baby, yeah, I beat it like a cop. Beat it like a cop. Rodney King, baby, say I beat it like a cop. But I ain't trying to be violent, but I do the time. But her love is timeless. Mrs. Officer, I know you wish your name was Mrs. Calder, huh? Yeah, like a cop car. When I get up on ya, we can hear the angels calling us. We can see the sunrise before us. And when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing. I make it say,
Hello, you guys. I am currently eating a bowl of cereal because your girl is hungry. And this milk is not good. It ain't horrible, but you know when it starts to go bad. But I just had to eat something. So, you know how like you're so hungry, you're about to cook, but you still need to eat something, like a little snack? That's what I need to do. So, I am making some pasta and garlic shrimp. I have the garlic shrimp that I got from Costco. If you guys see that, I threw away the box because it has instructions on the packet, but it's so good. It's just, like I said, garlic shrimp. It comes with 2 packs, I believe. A lot of shrimp, I feel like, and it's really good. The first time I just put it with some mashed potatoes and like green beans. The second time I made it with like linguine, I believe. So I'm gonna do a pasta again because I don't have mashed potatoes, but I'm gonna use this one from Trader Joe's just to give it like just a different little, you know, something a little different. I'm waiting for the water to boil, but I'm gonna put this back in the freezer until that boils. I didn't get to talk to you all today. I went to Pilates. I'm only gonna talk to you just for a little bit, show you kind of my decor, and then we're gonna like do some cooking so I can wind down for the night. I'm still a little bit behind. It's December 2nd and I just still don't feel like, I don't know, like I just feel like I'm all over the place. So let me show you kind of what I did so I can like start cooking. As y'all can see here, this is very okay. So as y'all can see, this is the Christmas tree. It's working. Fingers crossed that the top part would continue to stay lit. I actually really like it. I need to go to, I was gonna go to Amazon, but I'm gonna see if I can go to like Hobby Lobby, Michael's or something like that, just to try and get what is it called? Oh, a big bow at the top, and I'm just gonna do it myself. I kept it very, very minimal with the table. Like I said, I use these like little pine cones, sticks that usually go at the top of the tree. I put it right here. I added 2 little snowmen, and then I was supposed to have my little napkins in these bowls, but I don't have them washed just yet. So that should be going on by the end of the week. I have like a little scene going. This wasn't a scene, but yeah. Look at Zane, he is annoyed. All my batteries going dead. Let me hurry up. Look at him. But anyway, so for the living room, I kept it pretty simple, to be honest with you. Very neutral when it comes to like the couch. I didn't change anything. Still very neutral whenever it comes to the table. I added just some pine cones and then like these little trees here, and then also a reindeer, and then like the candle. Also added a little reindeer here, and then I just did a peace, love, joy pillow right here. And then like I said, kept it very simple here. Some, what are these called? Stockings, whatever. And then here at the top is like one of my favorite parts, to be honest with you. I have like the reindeers, the little baby reindeer here, a little village, and then also the nutcracker here. And then I added these like little flameless candles that I got on Amazon. This garland is from Crate & Barrel, and then I just threw in some pine cones. Usually I put like berries, but like I said, I wanted to keep it very, you know, just simple. And the candles, turning them on, like, are you kidding? It comes with like this little remote. You can range it from 2 to 8 hours, and then you can make it just a light or candle, and you can make it darker or brighter. Like, how gorgeous is this? I am so in love. Like, this is probably like one of my favorite parts. But yeah, that's the living room, but I still kept it very simple. So I have like 2 reindeers, and I just have these the picks here from Crate & Barrel that I got like last year. I tried to be very cost effective. Like, I tried to not spend any extra money and just use what I have. These kind of need to be like pressed out a little bit because they have that crease in it. But these little kitchen towels, this may be from Crate & Barrel or Target, like one of those. The same with this. Oh girl, the water boiling, hold on. The same with this reindeer from Crate & Barrel. I've been using those for like years. And then I just added these little Christmas trees that I got from Target, and I got 2 candles back here. But yeah. finally sound like a man. It is the next day. Today is Tuesday, December 3rd. I'm getting ready for a doctor's appointment, and then I'm getting my hair done a little bit later. My cycle is on. Baby, I'm ready to get back in the bed. I'm so glad I'm getting my hair done today because it's so bad for the past few days. I just took some medicine, so hopefully that starts to kick in soon so I can feel a little better. When I tell you, for some reason, let me know if I'm the only one, but I'm literally not in the Christmas spirit. I don't know why. I don't know why, but you know, we're gonna try and do something. We're gonna try to jazz it up or whatnot. Like, I'm gonna try and go to like maybe a Christmas parade. I want to take Zane to see the lights. I don't know how he's gonna act because Zane be having anxiety in the car, but I still want to try and take him to see it. I think he would love it. So we'll see. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know what we're doing. I'm gonna get ready. Y'all, it is cold today. Charlotte got a little bit of snow. Well, in certain areas, I didn't see any snow. It was supposed to be like little snow flurries at like 2 a.m., but I didn't see anything. But they definitely got some snow in other parts of North Carolina that, you know, people were actually able to wake up to. And like, this is like the first time in like 2 to 3 years, I believe, that we got snow. So, you know, hopefully we can see a little bit more snow come through in December, January. I'll be happy about that. It is cold and I'm not complaining because where you been? Where have you been? It seemed like it took y'all forever to get here, so I'm not complaining. I don't like the cold, but I appreciate the seasons. You get what I'm trying to say? I feel like that was a word. I like to go through all 4 seasons. That's why sometimes, like, whenever I think about where I want to move, like, I'm like, dang, I need some place that at least go through 4 seasons. You know what I mean? But anyway, y'all, let me finish getting ready. I'll pick up whenever I go to my hair appointment.
Money all around me, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold right. Oh no no no. Oh no right. Nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Got your bitch around me, nigga, ain't a plan when I'm coming for the kitty. Got my folk got there. Do it for my niggas in the coast right there. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy.